Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. I'll be showing you my recipe for celery and cucumber juice. As we say in Jamaica, cucumber and celery juice using a simple blender. You could feel free to add anything that you would like, such as like a lemon or a ginger, but because I'm making it for my husband and myself, I want to keep it basic. So if we want to dress it up, we can. So yeah, watch me as I show you the process. Let's go. Okay, so I just cut up all the cucumbers. I cut them in sizes that I think the blender can handle. I may need to cut these a little bit smaller, but we'll just go ahead and try with these first. Next, I'm going to do my celery. Okay, here they are. Like I said before, I might need to cut these smaller, but we will try to see if we can blend it with these sizes. Okay, so before we add the mixture to the blender, I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I am going to add the mixture and then do it as much as I can so I can close it, and then I will start the blending. Alright, so the next step in the process is we will have to strain it. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Hopefully you can see it. Let me move this out of the way. Yes. Of course, if you have like a cheesecloth, this process will go a little quicker, but I'm just using it with the strainer and a spoon. So this is going to take a little bit longer, but it still gets the job done. So because I want to make sure that I'm getting all the juice out, I'm going to save this pulp and I'm going to run it one more time in the blender, but that's after I finish the rest of my mixture here. Now that I have juiced all the cucumber celery, I'm going to put the pulp back into the blender one more time just to make sure that I get all the juice out. So I'm just going to put it all back into the blender. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. All my pulp, I'm putting it back into the blender. This time I'm going to add maybe half a cup or maybe 1 cup of water. We'll see here. Just out the way, it's getting full. Okay, the blender is. Okay, I'm going to add some more water to this. Okay, not to waste this pulp. To not waste this pulp, I mean, you could put it in a compost bin, but I have my compost going and it's almost ready, so I don't want to put anything more in there. I kind of want to finish up what I already have in there, so I won't be adding this to my compost, but this will make a good addition to it. So like I said before, you could add lemon or ginger to the mixture, or maybe even honey, but I like to drink it as limited with ingredients as possible, so I do just the cucumber and the celery by itself. It tastes really nice chilled. So now that I've cleaned up a little bit, the video would not be complete unless I did a tasting for myself. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and tell you exactly how it tastes. Give it a little stir because some of the things that didn't get filtered out might have settled down to the bottom. So I'm gonna mix it really well. You can see it's a nice little green juice. It looks scary, but it's not. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit out. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice and green, and I am going to try it. Let's see how it tastes. It's not bad. I might go in and strain it again one more time because I do taste a lot of pulp. But other than that, it's good. It's a nice summer drink. It's light, it's low calorie, low sugar, and you can dress it up how you want to. So you can go ahead and add lemon, ginger, honey, brown sugar, anything you want to do, you can dress it up. But it's just good. It's good. It's just as good by itself with just a celery, cucumber, and water. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.